Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, the ultimate destination for food enthusiasts and aspiring chefs alike. At Culinary Recipe Creations, we're passionate about the art of cooking, and we're here to inspire, educate, and entertain you with a wide array of mouth-watering recipes and culinary tips. What you can expect: diverse and delicious recipes. Our channel is a treasure trove of diverse culinary creations, ranging from quick and easy weeknight dinners to gourmet dishes that will impress even the most discerning foodies. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned pro, you'll find recipes that suit your skill level and tantalize your taste buds. Step-by-step tutorials. We believe that anyone can be a great cook with the right guidance. That's why we provide detailed, step-by-step tutorials for each recipe. Join us on this culinary adventure and let's create amazing recipes together. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Click that notification bell for more delightful and tasty recipe dishes from all over the world. Sit back, relax, and leave the cooking details and preparation to us at Culinary Recipe Creations channel.
Hey food lovers, ready to take your taste buds on a wild ride? Today, I'm bringing you a mouth-watering fusion of Korean and Mexican cuisines, Korean BBQ beef tacos. Trust me, this recipe is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First up, the star of our show, the beef. I'm using flank steak for this recipe. It's tender, juicy, and perfect for absorbing all those amazing flavors. Slice it thinly against the grain. This helps the meat stay tender and soak up our delicious marinade. Speaking of marinade, let's whip up some authentic Korean BBQ sauce. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, and a touch of gochujang. That's Korean chili paste for a spicy kick. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Now, toss your sliced flank steak into the marinade, making sure every piece is coated. Cover it up and let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. While the steak is soaking up all those flavors, let's prep our toppings. Shred some crisp lettuce, slice up a creamy avocado, and get your hands on some zesty kimchi. These fresh ingredients are going to add a fantastic crunch and burst of flavor to our tacos. Alright, time to fire up the grill. Get it nice and hot, and then lay the marinated beef slices on the grill. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're beautifully caramelized and cooked through. The smell is going to be incredible. Trust me on this one. Now let's bring it all together. Grab some warm tortillas and start building your tacos. Layer on the juicy Korean BBQ beef, pile on the shredded lettuce, add a spoonful of kimchi, and top it off with avocado slices. For an extra burst of flavor, drizzle a little bit of the remaining marinade on top. And there you have it, Korean BBQ beef tacos, the perfect fusion of savory Korean BBQ and vibrant taco goodness. Each bite is an explosion of flavors: tender beef, tangy kimchi, creamy avocado, and fresh lettuce all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. This recipe is not just a meal, it's an experience. Whether you're a fan of Korean cuisine, Mexican flavors, or you just love experimenting with fusion dishes, you've got to give this a try. It's easy, delicious, and will definitely impress your family and friends. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your apron, hit the kitchen, and make these incredible Korean BBQ beef tacos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Enjoy and happy cooking. Catch you in the next video. Bye.
Why are there more and more people talking about culinary recipe creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in, because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.